Friends, welcome you in Research Needs. In this video, we will see how to add a web page or a website for the reference in research article by using Mendeley Reference Manager. So first of all, we have to click Mendeley desktop. You have to start it. So I have already started over here. We will go next on the page where we have which page you want to add in Mendeley references. So first of all, what we will do, so suppose I have taken this page. It is a WHO website page for diabetes. So I am going to add this page for referencing in Mendeley. So for that we will directly copy this diabetes, means the title of the page. Then we will go in Mendeley. Here you will go add entry manually, that you have to click, and then we will add type. In type option we will click and drag it and search the web page option. Here you have to select this, and then we will add the title. From here you have to take title, so that's why I am copying, otherwise we can write it diabetes. So next, if the page has a author, you have to add here author, but here it's not, here it has no any author because it's a WHO page. So we will go directly to here. We will add publisher name WHO. So we will add that, and next we will whatever data we have, that we have to put here. So next we will see what data we have. It is published in 2024. So we will add that here, and 24, and page number, it has no page number because it's a web page. So we will go, so here you can see it is not showing any next page. So next we will see what data it wants. Abstract, it has no any abstract. Tag, in tag you can add diabetes if you want. Diabetes, or comma, 1 or 2 point you can add, but 1 is enough right now. And the date assessed, means today's date you have to add here. Suppose it is today's date is 29/07/2025. Next we have to add here URL. So we will go and copy this link URL, and we will put it in this column here. Now any remaining things, if you have that, you can, if you have DOI you can add that. Now we have to save this. So here you can see it has saved. Now you have to click on this and update. So you can see it is showing like this, WHO, and it has no author, so it is not showing that. So like this. Now we will go and reference it. From here I'm going to add a reference. So we will insert here the reference. Here I will directly write the WHO and diabetes. It is not showing option because there is lots of data I have. So here it is and OK. After addition, you can see it has tagged. You can change its style if you want any other. So we will American Psychological Association 7th editions, so that option, so like that it will write. And when you will add in reference, now we will insert bibliography. You can see like this it will show. So this is how you can add your references by using Mendeley software. Thank you for watching Research Need. Thank you very much.